rain 60%. Sunday, partly sunny. A chance of showers in the morning, then showers light. Thunderstorm warning for western Williamsburg County in northeastern South Carolina until 8:15 p.m. At 7:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Alkali to 7 miles west of Lake Marion, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include King Street, Salters, Hebron, Cades, Gordon, Lane, Greeleyville, and Williamsburg Regional Hospital. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and slash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. And now taking a look at the forecast for Florence and the